In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to play games on Telegram using mini apps. Playing games on Telegram is a great way to pass the time and have fun with friends, all without leaving the app. You can enjoy a variety of games, from puzzles to action-packed challenges, directly within your Telegram app and chats. As you can see on the screen, I am already playing one of the available games on Telegram. Let me show you where you can find them and how to play. Open the Telegram app on your device. Tap the search icon at the top right. I would recommend selecting the Apps tab here to filter your results and display only mini apps. On the screen, you can see some of the searches I've conducted. Below, you'll immediately see some recommended mini apps. Some of them are games, while others are apps for various purposes. For example, if you want to play the game where you shoot hoops, type piggy bank into the search bar. Open the app with this icon, as I did. You may need to accept the terms of use, but after that, you can start playing without installing the game. The second game I'll show you is chess. Type chess into the same search field and click on the search result. Then click play. This game is played with a friend in a Telegram chat. Select your contact and challenge them to a game of chess. From the menu, choose the type of chess match, specifying the time for each move. Both players need to click the join button, and the game will begin. Also, you can choose to play the game by yourself or invite friends to join by sharing the game link in your chats or groups. Some bots offer scoreboards so you can compete with friends and track your progress. Two popular gaming bots are also Gumi or GameBot. Try them out. You're now ready to explore and enjoy games on Telegram using mini apps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.